According to the 1996 National Electrical Code, Section 358.30 states that electrical equipment shall be securely fastened and supported. Conduit, boxes, and fittings shall be securely fastened to a recognized raceway support or other structural member in accordance with Sections 358.30b and c. Section 358.30b specifies that conduits shall be supported by straps, brackets, or other approved means, within 12 inches of each outlet box, junction box, termination point, or other connection point. When applying these rules to T-bar ceilings, it's important to note that the National Electrical Code does not specifically address the support of conduits and boxes in T-bar ceilings. However, the general principles of Section 358.30 still apply. Conduits and boxes must be securely supported within 12 inches of connection points. In a T-bar ceiling, this means that the support wires must be secured to the T-bar grid system or another structural member within 12 inches of each box or conduit connection. It is important to ensure that the support wires are independent from the T-bar grid system. This independence means that the wires must not rely on the T-bar grid for support. The support wires must be capable of independently supporting the weight of the conduits and boxes. To summarize, according to the 1996 National Electrical Code, conduits and boxes in T-bar ceilings must be securely supported by wires that are independent from the T-bar grid system. The support wires must be secured to the grid or other structural member within 12 inches of each connection point. The key aspects to consider are: firstly, secure fastening is a must. All electrical equipment, including conduits, boxes, and fittings, needs to be securely fastened and supported. Secondly, proximity to connection points matters. Support must be provided within 12 inches of each outlet box, junction box, termination point, or other connection point. Thirdly, the independence of support wires is crucial. Support wires must not rely on the T-bar grid for support and must independently bear the weight of the conduits and boxes. The application to T-bar ceilings requires careful attention to these principles to ensure electrical safety and compliance with the 1996 National Electrical Code.